We got Monia on the track.
Wildlife. Step out well clean every day, mad bro, a wildlife. Bad bitches, yeah, bad bro, that's my type. Yo, a wildlife. Step out well clean, I'm a well dark. If a boy diss me, him have to dead, bro. Kappa shot a lodge in him head, bro. Yo, tell them say we dark, yo, Franco. Them boy they are dead now. Couple days later, you see they are drunko. When we pull up on them black, everything I go bust on no blank. Tell them send me load up, me gas tank. Pull up on the black and breeze off. Everything out of the clip dog. And everything I connect and nothing I miss dog. Gear, it a go shift dog. And everything I go speed dog. Out of the matic, boy bring a fly. Just like a ship in the air. The spaceship dog. Heavy, pull it them and knock and repeat. Boy like it delete. And deep every time it talk well neat. And you better know say boy I can read concrete. When me see him, wouldn't want beat him. Pull up with the gun, it a beat just like the rhythm. Boy dog, half it dead when me see him. I take a bus in him head dog. Cause them don't know about me. I show my neck and wrist jewelry. And you better know say me got school, so me know they band the foolery. Yo, me no care what them depend. Half the K and me have this with a Wesson. Put it in a head, I saw me teach them lessons. Yeah, tell them look on them christen. Them go to church, myself turn a purge. But me have a urge, we go splurge on them black and give everybody up some shot. Because me ready if you go do that. Fly them bat, matic them hot. And the Glock and the K them me have that lock. And me ready if you go attack. And me not back, my chat. Yo, you see me? Them a fi go dead. The matic a fi go bust in at them head. Yo, na go zed. And you better know so when we shoot them that send them to bed. Them dead. Heat, matic beat. We have a heat, they can't compete. Left them body spread out in the blood class street.
We got Monia on the
A wildlife. I'm steady, I'm ready. With a K, I'm a capelli. A cutlass, take a head off, chop it up just like a jelly. Half the bully, she got tear out the belly. Couple days later, people smell it. And you better know, so me never felony kill any enemy.